In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center. By the end, you'll have your Shopify products syncing to Google so they're ready for shopping campaigns and free product listings. This process is handled entirely through Shopify and will move step by step so it's clear and stress-free. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your store's admin. It helps to have a Google account ready since you'll connect it during setup. From your Shopify admin, look for the section where you can manage apps and click Add Apps. This takes you to the area where you can install new tools for your store. Next, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Google and YouTube. You're looking for the official Google and YouTube channel app by Google. Select it, then choose Open or Install to bring it into your store. This app is the bridge that connects your Shopify catalog to Google Merchant Center. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to connect it to your Google account. Click to sign in, review the permissions, and confirm access. This allows Shopify to communicate with your Merchant Center. If you already have a Merchant Center account, you can select it from the list. If you don't, the app will guide you to create one directly within the flow, so you don't have to leave Shopify. From here, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the setup. You may be asked to confirm your store's website URL, select your target country and language, and align shipping and tax settings. In most cases, the app will pull these from your Shopify settings, so it pays to have accurate shipping rates and locations set up beforehand. You'll also choose which products to sync, either your entire catalog or a subset based on status or availability. As the connection finalizes, the app will start building your product feed. If you see any warnings or issues, the prompts will explain what needs attention, such as missing product identifiers, image requirements, or policy compliance. Make quick edits in Shopify, titles, descriptions, images, and product categories, and the app will resync automatically. Once the setup is complete, you'll see product statuses within the Google and YouTube app in Shopify. The first sync can take a little time, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. After approval on Google's side, your products become eligible for shopping placements and you'll be ready to run campaigns or use free listings. That's it. You opened Shopify, added the Google and YouTube app from the App Store, connected your account, and followed the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Keep an eye on the app dashboard for sync status and suggestions, and you'll be in great shape.